In fact, it was the other way around. Ito po ang ating final field goal percentages, which appear to be the barometer of this series. Ang Red Bull po scored or hit 46% from the floor and Pure Foods 38%. Now, Pure Foods had the advantage in the rebounding, but Red Bull's defense worked extra overtime in this game.
Okay, mga kaibigan, ng ating San Miguel Beer player na walang katulad, walang iba kundi si Enrico Villanueva.
Well, si Villanueva scored 21 points, 11 of those points coming in the fourth period alone. And he put Red Bull on his shoulders, on his back, and Villanueva carried the Baracos all the way home.
All right, we'd like to bring in our second panel, Miko Halili and Coach Shot Tankinson with their thoughts on this game. Miko?
Maraming salamat, Ed. Well, Coach Shot, midway through that fourth quarter, parang pakaramdam natin Pure Foods was going all the way to the championship. What happened at nakabalik itong Red Bull?
Well, I think just like what we discussed earlier, I think defense, they were able to limit the Pure Foods at probably the last 3 minutes. And I think that's still the difference. While on the other hand, the Pure Foods wasn't able to limit yung mga scores ng Red Bull.
Although you were very impressed with the offensive rebounding of Pure Foods, especially early in the fourth quarter.
Yeah, actually, it came down to making stops at the end and at the same time getting back in. Madali sabihin pero mahirap na actually yun Pero yun nga actually Pure Foods didn't do too badly naman Maganda naman yung ginawa nila. It just so happened, siguro at the end of the game, they were missing a couple of shots and while the Red Bull was hitting their shots.
They had their chances. The Pure Foods had their chances. Therefore, this sets up a dramatic Game 6 sa Friday. Your thoughts and perhaps expectations sa Game 6 between Pure Foods and Red Bull?
Just like this game that which we saw, ganun pa rin. It's gonna be tight, very evenly matched ng dalawa in both teams, and it's fun to watch basically.
And it was fun having you here, Coach. ST is very, very dapper tonight. And would you like to maybe greet your thousands of fans who just watched this telecast?
I want to thank you mga nanonood. Sana hindi kayo tinamad sa boses ko.
Always, you're too shy. This is a very, very humble PBA champion coach. And once again, maraming salamat, Coach ST, for joining us. Ako po si Miko Halili from the upper deck of the Araneta Coliseum. We bid you good night. Back to Ed and Kinito.
Mahihay talaga si Coach Shot.
Coach Shot, he'd like to do his ranting and raving on the sideline.
He wasn't able to greet his family. I'd like to greet his family for him, his wife Rika, and their son Zeke. Yan. Kompleto na tayo. Coach Shot.
Dami close friends talaga ni Kinito. Anyway, sabi nga ni Miko, mga kaibigan, this is darating na Biyernes. Yan po ang ating Game 6. Abangan ninyo. Alam natin, magiging pukpukan na naman yan. Pure Foods will have the second chance to close the championship, and Red Bull will have another opportunity to extend it.
Well, without dapat ang Pure Foods dito because yung momentum has now shifted